Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the top 5 best wheel chocks for travel trailers available on the market right now. From budget-friendly options to premium picks, we've got something for everyone. If you're looking to keep your trailer safe and stable, you're in the right place. And as always, you can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 4, we have the Lescoffer Camper Wheel Chock Stabilizer. This set includes 2 wheel chock stabilizers, a ratchet wrench, a socket adapter, gloves, and even a convenient storage bag. The X-shaped stabilizer design is the star of the show here, applying opposing force to tandem tires for maximum stability. This makes it ideal for RVs, travel trailers, and other larger vehicles with tire spacing between 3.5 and 12 inches. The design is sleek, yet rugged, with heavy-duty steel construction for long-lasting durability. The package is compact and portable, making it easy to store and transport. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included tools, and the stabilizers provide reliable anti-movement support even on uneven terrain. However, at 10.25 pounds, these chocks are heavier than some competitors, which might be a drawback for users prioritizing portability. This set is best suited for campers and RV enthusiasts who want a comprehensive and robust solution for stabilizing their vehicles. While the higher weight and lack of pricing transparency might deter some buyers, the premium build quality and additional accessories make it a worthwhile investment for those who value stability and convenience. At number 3, we have the Maxhall 7472 Solid Rubber Heavy-Duty Wheel Chock 2-Pack. These chocks are built for durability, featuring a solid rubber construction that ensures heavy-duty performance in any condition. Measuring 8 by 4 by 6 inches, they're compact yet sturdy, making them ideal for use with cars, trailers, trucks, and RVs. One of the standout features of these chocks is their all-weather construction. They're designed to withstand rain, snow, oil, and UV exposure, making them a reliable choice for year-round use. The non-slip traction pads provide excellent grip on various surfaces, from gravel to garage floors. Additionally, the molded rubber handle allows for easy placement and removal, adding to their user-friendly design. Priced at just $15.99, these chocks offer incredible value for their durability and performance. They're perfect for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on quality. However, their smaller size may not provide as much stability for larger trailers or RVs. Overall, the Maxhall 70472 is a fantastic choice for those seeking a dependable and affordable solution for everyday use. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the x-chock wheel stabilizer by BAL. This premium option is designed to provide added stabilization by applying opposing force to tandem tires. Unlike traditional chocks, the x-chock works with the natural movement of the tires rather than against it, ensuring a more stable and secure hold. It retracts down to 1 3/8 inches and extends up to 10 inches, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of applications. The build quality is top-notch, with a rust-inhibitive coating for enhanced durability. The included plated ratchet wrench makes installation a breeze, and the comfort bumper handle ensures ease of use. At 10 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but this weight contributes to its stability and robust performance. Priced at $57.88, the x-chock is the most expensive product in our lineup, but its superior design and performance justify the price tag. It's ideal for RV owners who need reliable stabilization and are willing to invest in a high-quality product. The only downside is its higher cost, which might not suit those on a tight budget. However, for those who prioritize stability and performance, the x-chock is an excellent choice. And finally, claiming the top spot at number 1, we have the Camco Camper and RV Wheel Chock with Rope. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking for reliable performance without breaking the bank. Designed to work with tires up to 26 inches in diameter, these chocks offer a simple yet effective solution for keeping your trailer in place. The attached rope allows for easy removal, making them convenient to use. Crafted from durable, UV-resistant plastic. These chocks are built to withstand outdoor conditions. Despite their lightweight construction at just 1.5 pounds, they provide excellent stability for most travel trailers and RVs. Plus, with a 4.7-star rating and over 18,000 reviews, their popularity speaks for their quality and reliability. At just $12.50 for a 2-pack, the Camco wheel chocks are an unbeatable value. They're ideal for casual campers or anyone new to RVing who wants a dependable and affordable solution. While they may not offer the heavy-duty performance of premium options, they're more than capable of meeting the needs of most users. For affordability and practicality, the Camco camper and RV wheel chocks are a clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect wheel chocks for your travel trailer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy camping.